Does Sharp TV have Netflix? Yes, most Sharp Smart TVs support Netflix, but availability depends on the TV's operating system. Sharp TVs running Android TV, Roku TV, or AQUOS Net Plus can access Netflix through the built-in App Store. Older models may require alternative streaming methods. 1. How to install Netflix on a Sharp Smart TV. Step 1. Press the Home button on your remote. Step 2. Go to the App Store, Google Play Store, or Roku Channel Store, depending on your TV model. Step 3. Search for Netflix and select Install or Add Channel. Step 4. Open the Netflix app, log in with your Netflix account, and start streaming. Second, Sharp TV models that support Netflix. Sharp Android TV/Google TV. Download Netflix from the Google Play Store. Sharp Roku TV, available in the Roku Channel Store. Sharp Aquos Net Plus older models, pre-installed on some models but may not support the latest Netflix updates. 3. What to do if Netflix is not working on Sharp TV. App not opening, restart the TV and try again. Netflix missing from the store, your TV may not support the latest app version. Black screen or buffering issues. Check your Wi-Fi connection or restart the router. Outdated software. Go to Settings, Greater than System Update, and install the latest update. 4. How to watch Netflix on an older Sharp TV. If your TV does not support Netflix, try these alternatives. Use a streaming device. Connect a Fire Stick, Roku Stick, Apple TV, or Chromecast. Screen mirroring. Cast Netflix from your mobile device or PC to the TV. Game consoles. Install Netflix on an Xbox or PlayStation connected to your TV. 5. How to fix Netflix app issues on Sharp TV. Clear app cache. Go to Settings, then Apps, then Netflix, then Clear cache. Android TVs. Reinstall Netflix. Delete and reinstall the app from the App Store. Check Netflix server status. If Netflix is down, wait for it to be restored. Most Sharp Smart TVs have Netflix pre-installed or available for download. If the app is unavailable, using a streaming device, screen mirroring, or game consoles can provide access to Netflix.